Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to clear cache in Joomla. So if you want to do it, first you need to log into administrator panel of the Joomla in your website, and after that you need to go to system settings. Then some really useful options will be displayed here, but of course we are interested in to go to maintain settings, because here we have something like clear cache. We need to click on it, and now how you see I have here this one information. You have no cached content. If you enable caching in Joomla global configuration, then any cached items will be displayed here. I have here this one information because I don't have cached content. I have already deleted it, but if you have any cache, you should have here the list of available items. You need to check which items you want to remove, and then you should select here one from available buttons, something like delete all or remove all cache, and then it should be deleted. So it is a very simple process. So if I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if you solve your problem.